Tie a ponytail, loosen up one side of it, twist the hair, use a multiple prong decorative clip and push it in through the side as such. Comb the hair into place, add a rubber band to the top, use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, use a decorative butterfly clip on top of it. After this, tie a low ponytail out of the hair, remove the clip, add a rubber band in the middle, lift up this hair and then make it into a bun. Add your decorative clip on top of this instead. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and clip it up and then add a multi-level clip in order to clip it up. Take a section from the middle, twist it, insert it into the middle section of the hair. Then take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side and vice versa. Taking the top section, insert it on the top using a multiple prong pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now make two braids out of the bottom section of the hair, roll it upwards as such, use clips in order to fasten it in its place. Take a multi-level clip, then take a section from the middle, twist it upwards, add your clip to it. Take another section from the middle at the bottom, twist it, insert it into the middle section of the clip. Take a section from the left side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip, and vice versa. Take the top section of the hair, fasten it downwards using a multiple prong clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, lift it upwards, make a slight bend to it, add a rubber band to it. Let the rest of the hair down, and then afterwards tie it up into a bun as such. Add your decorative butterfly clip on top of this. Take this retractable clip as such. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, divide this ponytail into two portions and then wrap it one on top of the other as such. Next, twist it into a bun. Add your retractable clip on top of this once you are done. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail, then at the base, bend it in and then add another rubber band to it. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, then wrap it around the top bun that you've created. As for the bottom, add your decorative clip right there and this is what it should look like. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add some decorative hair twine to it, twist the hair around the twine portion of it, add a rubber band at the end and then wrap it up into a bun, adjust the decorative portion accordingly. Next, we will take this hanging decorative clip. After this, tie a ponytail to the hair, untwist the clip, wrap the hair around the clip and adjust it accordingly. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, then add a decorative clip to it. After this, tie a low ponytail and then add a rubber band to the middle, roll this upwards, add your clip on the top of this, adjust the hair accordingly. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, make a small bump at the top, add another rubber band to it. Add a rubber band in the middle section as well, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the bun and then take the rest of the hair accordingly, add a decorative clip to it as such. Next, we will start off by taking a retractable rubber band, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Now, after you have tied the ponytail, divide the ponytail into two parts, twist one section over the other as such. Once you reach the bottom, wrap it up into a bun. Add your retractable clip on the top of it as such. Next, start off by taking the hair, gather it together, wrap it around the finger as such. Use your decorative clip around it. This is the clip that we have used. Next, we will start off by taking this multi-level clip, take a section from the center, twist it, roll it upwards, and then insert your clip in place. Take a section from the middle, twist it, insert it into the middle layer of the clip. Then take a section from the left, twist it, insert it into the right section, and do the same for the other side opposite. Next, fasten the top as well using a pin. Thank you for watching.